Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to repurpose YouTube video for social media with Kapwing. Repurpose YouTube video for social media is one of the smartest way to maximize your content reach, and Kapwing is a web-based video editor that makes this process simple, fast and professional. So first you need to open any of the browser. On the top there's an address bar. Type down kapwing.com and enter it. And over here you can also start editing. You can choose YouTube video with URL. Click onto this create new here. Select this upload media on the left hand side. And over here you can simply paste a video URL on the bottom. And now it will opens into this editing timeline. What you can do is you can use the timeline editor. You can simply trim this video as well on the bottom with this edges here. And you can also resize for the social media platform. On the right hand side we can find this canvas blur. Click onto this canvas here, and you can also select for the background color here as well. And you can add the captions in the left hand side. Find the subtitle. You can select the auto subtitle for the automatic generation subtitle here as well. Or you can also upload SRTs, start from the scratch, adopt the video. And after you're done with the editing, you can simply export in the top right. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.